Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I am here presenting this video from 7 Star Watches D Ground Faisalabad, a very well known shop representing the wrist watches business in Pakistan, and I am here with you making this video a very brief review on Rado Diastar. Today we have got this Rado Diastar. This is a quartz watch. Quartz is generally known as all the watches you see in the market that works with the battery, or you can say that battery operated, are known as quartz watches. So the watch we have got today here is Rado Diastar, and this is the quartz version. You can see the dial color is black, and let me tell you that this is a used watch and a second-hand product, and we can offer you this product at a very reasonable price, although the company price is relatively very high, but we are offering you this product at a very low price. So keep watching this video till end and we will tell you the price of this watch. You can see the dial color is in black, and 11 stones are inserted in this dial, except the figure of 6, to make this watch very elegant. On the place of the figure of 6, you can see the day and date, if you can see here. Yes, and the time is shown here with the 2 needles of golden color. The technical name of the needles of this watch, we call these needles hands, so you can call them hands. And on the figure of 12, beneath the figure of 12, you can see the logo Rado Diastar. Diastar is the series of this watch. I mean to say that Rado comes in different series, like Rado Florence, like Rado Sintra, Ceramica, Diastar, and Integral, Cerix, Centrix, and a list of long products goes on when you talk about the series of Rado. Rado is a Swiss made product, and Rado is a brand that comes under the Swatch Group. Swatch Group is a well known watchmaking group of Switzerland that produces Omega, Hamilton, Flick Flack, and Mido, Rado itself, and Swatch itself, Tissot, and they are long list. Breguet on a higher end. When you talk about the top end brands, Breguet is also a leading brand of Swatch Group. So coming back to this watch, the main case of this watch, that is called bezel, is made of tungsten carbide, and it is a scratch resistant material that is used in most of the Rado Diastar watches, and it resists the scratches of daily life use. It's not made for the accidental use, or you cannot resist the scratches of the accidental case, but in general life, the normal routine use, it resists all the scratches of the general wear. The glass of the watch is sapphire crystal. Sapphire crystal is generally known to resist the scratches of daily life use, and you can see this is not the plain glass, it has got the cuts on it. If you can see in the reflection, you can see there are the cuts on the glass. It is relatively expensive than the plain glass. As I have already told you, it uses the quartz movement. This is the Rado Diastar quartz, and it comes with the ETA company movement in it, which is very durable and dependable. We are offering you 1 year free service with this watch. Although it is used version, we are providing you this product with 1 year free service from 7 Star Watches D Ground Faisalabad. And the back of this watch is pressed back, and you can see minor scratches on the back, and the logo of the watch is clear here. Everything is fine and fit, intact position. The inside of the lock is of stainless steel. Here you can see the numbers, and it has the pusher lock. The pusher lock came in the Rado Diastar from year 2017, and till now Rado is producing these watches with the pusher lock. The logo of the Rado you can see here. The total bracelet of this watch is in glossy finish, minor scratches are on the bracelet because it is used watch. I have already told you. This is the other side of the bracelet, and the scratches are a little bit higher or more scratches on this side, but it's ignorable. These are ignorable because Rado maintains its standard, and you can still wear this bracelet for another 5 to 7 years. Oh wow, the quality of the bracelet is very much good, and we also deal in spare bracelets, so you can replace this bracelet if you do not like this one. And this feature is called the extender feature. The people with the heavier wrist needs to extend the bracelet to wear the watch. If you have the very heavy wrist, you can extend this, or you can pull this bracelet from here and wear the watch relatively easily. So this is a very good deal. We have this watch available with us at our showroom. The showroom that is in Faisalabad, 7-Star Watches D Ground Faisalabad is a well-known shop representing this business for over several years. You can visit our outlet if you want to see this watch physically and then buy it, or you can order it online on our website www.7star.pk, or you can call us on our helpline 0321603980. So this is a beautiful watch, and I recommend you personally that if you want to save your money and buy a brand new watch, rather you can go for this one because this offers you a very handsome saving. So we now move towards the price of this watch. The price of this watch that company offers you in Pakistan is 1,10,000 rupees approximately. This product is available for rupees 1,10,000 rupees approximately, and 7-Star Watches D Ground Faisalabad is offering you this product for 72,500 rupees. Yes, you are listening very right, that this product is available at rupees 72,500 rupees with 1 year free service, 100% original Swiss made Rado Diastar. Hopefully you have liked this video and you will show your interest in this product. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz from 7-Star Watches D Ground Faisalabad.
Subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Don't forget to click the bell button and get the latest updates from 7-Star Watches.